Hello, residents of Chelsea. My name is Fidel Maltez, and it is my honor to serve as your city manager. I am so excited to introduce to you the inside of our Kayem Foods factory. Kayem Foods has been in Chelsea for 117 years. Kayem is the official hot dogs of the Patriots, the Bruins, and the Red Sox. And it's so amazing that most of the hot dogs are made right here in Chelsea. What we're gonna hear today is gonna be a story of innovation, a story of resilience, but more importantly, a story of family. Their tagline is a family business, a business of families. Come on in.
We have a workforce of about 500 people.
Between here and some remote salespeople.
But the bulk of it is here. You have 500 different stories. So 117 years later, success is based on food safety, personal safety and science, and the love and passion of the people for the job.
That's amazing.
So that's what makes us unique.
Yeah. So you've been here for 24 years.
My first job was grinder operator.
It must be important to know what it's like to be on the floor and to do the jobs of an operator.
Correct.
What has your product mix looked like? How has it changed? How have you evolved with the market?
As Americans' tastes have evolved, so has our product portfolio. We were kind of pioneers in chicken sausage.
How far is your network of distribution?
Well, Kayem is predominantly a Northeast brand. We're number one brand, in fact, in New England. We have
You're the number one brand in New England.
Number-
Woo, you heard that?
Yeah.
We also were world favorite brand in Massachusetts last year.
How many hot dogs do you make?
We make about 1 million pounds every week.
Total business is 1 million pounds.
Total business.
But we have the capability to make up to 1 million hot dogs a day.
How has the business changed otherwise?
A lot of electronics, a lot of technology, computers. You're gonna see robots upstairs doing the job that people used to do.
You have robots here.
Robots here.
Oh my God.
And the one thing about the robots is not taking away employees from the line, but what the robot does is it prevents us from the injuries and employees from repetitive motions, and that has come down greatly last year. As a former employee in the line, it's very important for me that people go back to their families the same way they come in. So that's a mission every day. Nothing supersedes that.
That's amazing. Can you give us a tour?
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
We run a 24-hour operation, mostly 2 shifts of production, and the 3rd shift is cleaning. So we have people around the clock here every day of the week.
Oh, what is this, Edwin? What are we looking at?
These are
Look at
skinless
this.
hot dogs. These are gonna hit the oven right now, and in about an hour and a half, they will be ready for packing. We have more. And right now we're smoking it.
Oh.
Here we have hams. Chicken sausages.
Oh, there you go. That's my favorite. That's my favorite there.
Yeah.
Is that the spicy jalapeno?
No, that's garlic actually.
Ooh, that's garlic. Okay. I'm down with garlic. Buenas.
These are the natural tasting hot dogs. Actually, we are the largest natural tasting producer in the region. In America, right? So as you see, the chain is moving, taking the product in the oven.
Oh, I see. It's moving.
Yeah.
It's just going very slowly. Whoa! Oh, that's the good stuff. Woo! I love it. Woo! It's a hot dog.
This is a skinless artificial casing.
Oh.
And this is a natural casing.
I see. Okay. That looks unbelievable. What is that? That looks
This
amazing.
is the chicken sausage. And we also have metal detectors there. If you see something that doesn't belong,
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Wow. Okay. Wow. I want to do that. How long have you been here? Okay.
About 37 years.
I'm sorry, you said 37 years.
37.
That's unbelievable.
It's a good company.
Bro, yeah,
And they open the doors to everybody.
Absolutely.
Everybody's welcome to this company.
Oh, wow. Wow. That is high tech.
that is. A lot of computers, A lot of software
Camera is looking down.
sending a signal to the robot to tell them where they link it. Behind you, you have an X-ray machine.
You take an X-ray of every hot dog that leaves this facility?
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah, look at that. Every package is being X-rayed.
I met someone who has been here for 37 years. Are you telling me you've been here longer?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
44.
Oh my God, that's amazing. So you've been here for 44 years.
Correct.
You must love this place.
Yes. I do
Absolutely.
like the family. I do like the business. I do like the people.
That'll be in stores in a few weeks.
Woo! I can't wait to buy it. Market basket.
Tony ha estado también con la compañía por mucho tiempo.
Por mucho tiempo. ¿Cuántos años, Tony?
Está 37 años.
37 años también. 37 years. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. Chelsea loves Kayem. What's special about Chelsea that if you're a business and you're looking for a new home and you're looking at Chelsea, why should they pick Chelsea?
It's an unbelievable community. I think you saw a lot of it today in the quality of people that we're able to employ that are within close proximity. I deal with other companies that have similar kind of workforces. I got to say, Chelsea, in our workforce, among the best we've ever encountered. Hardworking, dedicated people that care. They care about the business. They care about the people that are consuming our products. They care about each other. I think, the values that our uncles and our founders instilled in us are take care of the community, they'll take care of you.
I love it. Thank you for having us today.
My pleasure.
And opening the doors to the amazing factory and the amazing family you have here.